Focusing on getting your YouTube channel monetized is the worst thing you could possibly do for your brand or business. Chasing those 1,000 subscribers and those 4,000 hours of watch time is a complete waste of time. Look, I get it. I've seen all the videos you have. The videos of all the YouTube experts and gurus telling you their top tips on getting your channel monetized fast. Monetize your channel in 2021, repeated over and over again. So it's really easy to believe, I know. But let me ask you, if YouTube AdSense paid so much, wouldn't we be seeing more full-time YouTubers? And wouldn't people be flocking to YouTube like the salmon of Capistrano? Let's do this. Instead of looking for quick tips on how to get your YouTube channel monetized, I want to show you a few ways on how to monetize your channel on your own, making your own money. The first thing to do is change your current mindset to a Spartan mindset. If this is your first time on this channel, a Spartan is structured, profitable, accountable, relentless, a team player, adaptable, and never gives up. YouTube is a marathon, not a sprint. Anybody who says otherwise is straight up lying to you. Instead, I want you to think about your why. Why are you here? Why are you creating the content you're creating? Take some time to think about this and write it down until you are crystal clear on your why. There's no right or wrong answer, and it will always change. For example, I'm here to help you make money doing something you love using YouTube. This way you can take control of your life, be financially free, and truly be happy. For 10 years, I've been told what to do, how to do it, and when to do it. And I'm done with that. And I want the same exact thing for you. Once you have your why, you'll never give up on your dream, and it's gonna be that fuel that fuels the fire inside you. And when everyone else is chasing followers and subscribers, you're gonna be generating leads and sales. I've even started a community of Spartan entrepreneurs who have the same mindset. You'll never feel alone or without a purpose. And we'll be coming up with new ways to actually make you money. And to do that, you'll need some revenue generating activities. An example would be creating digital products or offering your services. For instance, me telling you to save the dates April 28th and April 29th to be exact. I'm holding a free live training on how to turn your unplanned videos into a bingeable series that attracts quality brands, leads, and customers using YouTube. To reserve your spot, click the link in the description right now. Affiliate marketing is a really popular way to make money for your business as well. Make a list of all the brands you like, see if they're on brand with your brand, go to their website, and see if they have an affiliate program. Here's another example. I really love the brand Kino Body. It's run by a guy named Greg O'Gallagher, and he has gotten me into the best shape of my life through heavy lifting and intermittent fasting. My lifts have never been stronger, and weight loss has seriously been effortless. The workout programs are for guys and girls and are ridiculously affordable. Click the link in the description and take a look around. You see what I just did right there? His brand aligns with my brand. So if you decide to try it out, I get a small commission for telling you about the product. And you get into great shape. It's a win-win. Another great example is my client Sabrina Ann Marie. She does clothing hauls from a company called Shein, and she's a part of the Amazon affiliate program. She links all of her clothes and accessories to the proper Amazon affiliate links and gets paid. That being said, I really want you to focus on your digital products and services. They have the highest profit margins and are something you can be in control of. When it comes to brand deals and affiliate marketing, I would just look at those as a bonus. I'll go over more of this and the VidFlix effect in my free training at the end of the month. I'll also be talking about content structure. If you don't have a specific plan or a specific call to action, you're just like everyone else creating content. For free, mind you. What I want you to do is come up with a list of videos that bring the most value to your brand or business. Choose a style of video you like and make it your own. Just make sure to have a solid call to action. It is that easy to become an authority in your space. I could keep going on with examples, but I want to keep this super short and super simple. Now that you know how to monetize your channel on your own, you have a choice. You can be that struggling content creator who spends hours searching for that perfect video, showing you how to get those first 1,000 subscribers and those 4,000 hours worth of watch time. Or you can be a Spartan entrepreneur. We'll see you soon.